You farted in my face. She got my two toys.
Oh, poor Parker.
Get him.
Now it's your turn. Let me get your little stub.
Not
My ear. Not my ear. No, that's my tail. That's my butt. That's my butt.
You don't have a long tail to bite. It's not my fault you have fake extensions.
It's not a chew toy.
Using my butt.
Get it, Parker. This is what I call rodeo.
Yeah. Get him.
Get it, Parker.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Why do you guys say oh no?
When this lovey-dovey time happens. When a mommy and daddy.
What are they doing?